Welcome to CS103A online. My name is Greg McConnell and I'm your instructor for this course. What I want to do is just take a few minutes to show you around the Blackboard course. I want to point out that when you log into the course, you'll notice that over on the left-hand side here, you are automatically taken right to the course modules area. The important thing about this and why the course modules tab is capitalized, all caps here, you'll notice, is that is the area that is the driving force for the course. I have other information that you can look at separately, like course assignments, faculty information, messages, course info, that you can look at here separately, but they are all within these course modules folders here. So to begin the course, we're going to go into the Introduction to CS103A online course, and you'll see the dates over here for each module. So when you click on this link, it's going to take you into the Introduction to CS103A, and this is what you're going to do for the first week of the course. You're going to spend time going through, reading through this information, listening to the audio clips that I put on here, reading through the getting started message, the tips for online learning, tutoring for online courses in case you are struggling with anything in this course. There's some information about the email policy and so on and so forth. And when you get down to the bottom here, you'll notice that there are three very important areas here. The first one is the course information. I'd ask you that once you read the above information and look through that, to click on this folder, the CS103A course info. And this is basically information about the course in general. So what is in here are three things: your course syllabus, the course calendar, which by the way is also housed in the course syllabus, but it's here for you to look at easily. And I will tell you that if I have to make updates to the course calendar, I will make them here first and notify you by message and email through Blackboard. And then there is information about the discussion board posts that you have to complete as well. Okay, I'm going to click the link to go back here to where we were. And I want to show you the other areas. Make sure you look at the course syllabus and look at the course calendar so that you can know when everything's due. That's very important. All the dates are in there. All information is in there as well. We will hold a few real synchronous meetings using either Blackboard Collaborate or anymeeting.com. And I'm leaning toward anymeeting.com right now, just because I'm very familiar with that and I'm new to using Blackboard Collaborate. So it depends on how quickly I catch on to using it as to whether or not we'll use that platform or stick with the anymeeting.com. The next area is the introduction. This is really essentially the first thing you have to do that is graded for the course. And again, this information is all to be completed in the first week of the class. What you have here is an introduction, and what I basically want you to do, you can take a look at my introduction here if you want to use that as a model, so to speak, to look at. Just tell me about yourself. Who are you? Where are you from? Why are you here? Just some information, what your major is, what you like to do, what kind of courses you've liked in college so far, what your plans are once you get finished with your studies here at Mount Aloysius. I'm going to go back into the intro week. Again, this is the very first week of class that all of this will take place. So we just went into the intro discussion area. And then once you're finished with that, I put a link in here that's going to take you into the next module, which is actually the first module of our study, but it's completed in weeks 2 and 3. You'll notice I'm going to go back out here to the main module page using the tab over here to the left, the menu area. I'm going to click on the course modules, and you'll notice that every module except for the very first intro, which is what I just showed you through, and the very last one, which is the project work and course closure module. All these modules, except for module 4, are 2 weeks in length. So module 1 runs 2 weeks. It runs weeks 2 and 3, and then the dates are here, September 2nd through September 15th. You click on that, you read through the information here. I will oftentimes put links here, so if you see something blue, this is a PDF to some information, communication technologies, the communication piece to that, so make sure you read through that. And then the communication definition PowerPoint that I put in here. And you'll always see a discussion. Those are what guide this course. You're going to be required to participate in discussions every week. And then also for each module, excluding the very first week, the introduction, and the last week, you'll have a quiz. Okay? We'll talk more about this whenever we meet on anymeeting.com during the first week, but I just want to show you the modules for now. So again, everything is that you have to do in this course is guided right by the course modules area, so that's going to be the main place that you're working. Okay, and that's it for now. Welcome to CS103A online. I'm looking forward to working with you throughout the fall 2013 semester, and I hope you enjoy the first week of your studies. Take care.